Welcome to this Around the Storage Block Chalk Talk. I'm HP storage guy Calvin Zito. And today I want to introduce you to the most versatile storage system in the industry, HP 3-Par StoreServ. Growing up in Batavia, New York, I had a bicycle to get around the small town. Given my age and lack of capital, it worked just fine. But then I went off to college and got my first job with HP, and the two-wheeled architecture just didn't work anymore. I needed something faster. And something similar has happened in IT. The new style of business demands a new approach to storage. Let me explain. In the 90s, storage was hardware-defined. It was complex, rigid, and in silos. Traditional Tier 1 systems like Symmetrics and traditional dual-controller arrays from DG Clarion and NetApp Fast, for example. With the emergence of virtualization and IT as a service, these traditional architectures are like my bicycle. What's needed is a modern architecture built for new workloads and the explosion of data growth. There's service-refined storage with HP 3-Par. Software-defined storage was pioneered by Left Hand Networks, now HP Store Virtual VSA, over 8 years ago. Federated deduplication is a modern approach to backup with HP Store Once. And the vision has come together with HP Converged Storage. Converged, cloud-enabled, and software-defined. Let's briefly talk about the main tenets of HP 3-Par StoreServ. It's autonomic. Respond 8 times faster to unprecedented workload demands, and unify management with a self-optimizing storage system. It's efficient. Cut capacity requirements by 75%. It's multi-tenant, with 6 nines of data availability with assured quality of service. And it's federated. Non-disruptive data mobility between systems. And with 3-Par, simplicity is winning. Let me give you a couple of recent industry highlights. 3-Par was named Best in Class or recommended in the DCIG Buyer's Guide in 4 categories: all-flash, mid-range hybrid, and enterprise arrays. Storage Magazine awarded the 7450 the Gold Award as the best all-flash array. And the latest is the 20850 winning the Best in Show at the Flash Memory Summit. I want to walk you through the refreshed HP 3-Par StoreServ portfolio. It's a single portfolio that can address exactly what you need. First, when value matters. There's the 2-node 8200 and the 4-node 8400. Pricing of the all-flash 8200 starts at just $19,000 US. Next, when scale matters. There's the converged flash 8440 and the new 2800. And when performance matters, there's the all-flash 8450, the 4-node 2450, and the 8-node 2850 all-flash array. They deliver the all-flash performance, and with ASIC-enabled deduplication, you get it at a hard disk price. And our approach is unique, because in one architecture we can deliver the right solution. One architecture provides one OS, one management experience, one set of rich data services across the whole portfolio, and one platform for native block, file, and object access. I also want to highlight the HP 3-Par StoreServ software suites. It starts with the OS suite and includes deduplication, adaptive flash cache, system reporting, and the StoreServ management console. The replication suite has virtual and remote copy, peer persistence, and cluster extension. The data optimization suite ensures your data is where it needs to be, to optimize for performance and cost. The file persona suite adds block and file access, while the security suite ensures your data and system is locked up tight. Recovery Manager Central is flat backup and restore solution, and there are software titles that integrate with applications from Microsoft and Oracle. When I looked at the 3-Par portfolio, I talked about the 8000 and the 20000, and between June and August 2015, we completely refreshed the portfolio. I have Chalk Talks on both families, and if you click on the videos on the screen, you can get more details about them. Lastly, I'm very proud of the 3-Par innovations over the last couple of years, and those innovations have catapulted HP Storage into a leadership position. Back in 2013, we transformed the mid-range with the introduction of the 3-Par StoreServ 7000, Tier 1 services at a mid-range price. And this has led to 3-Par capturing the #1 mid-range fiber channel array. Later that year, we announced our first all-flash that screamed at 900,000 IOPS at under 0.7 milliseconds. In 2014, we saw all-flash go mainstream. We announced thin deduplication. In 2015, the vision of an all-flash data center looks inevitable, and we announced 3-Par snapshot offload to store Once backup and a 3-Par file persona. And as a result, we saw 3-Par grow over 1,000%, and Gartner said it was the fastest growing all-flash array in the industry. And most recently, we announced the 20000 series, with 3 million IOPS and $1.50 per gigabyte usable capacity, and the 8000 series with all flash starting at $19,000. And if you didn't hear, Pure Storage filed for an IPO and reduced their previously publicly disclosed quarterly revenues by $100 million. As a result of that, HP 3PAR has passed Pure as the _2 all-flash array. Lots of great innovation since HP acquired 3PAR 5 years ago. To learn more, go to hp.com/go/3par. You can find me on Twitter as Calvin Zito, and our blog is at hp.com/storage/blog. Thanks for joining me.